You know how people say sleep when the baby sleeps? Yeah, not me. My day starts as soon as the baby wakes up. But today, I noticed that the color on my ends has been fading way too much, so I decided temporarily it's time to go back to my dark hair. And you're not gonna believe what I found. A shampoo that literally dyes your hair. What? This shampoo is from Herbishh and it's a 3-in-1 shampoo. It cleanses, hydrates, and colors your hair all in 20 minutes. And it's ammonia free, which is a plus. This shampoo is perfect for covering up your gray hairs or even touching up your roots before your next appointment. To be real, I didn't even know this kind of product existed, but now it's about to be a total game changer for me. The color is supposed to last 2 to 3 weeks, but it can be longer depending on your hair type. I love that it's made with organic herbs, so you get that great color without the harsh chemicals. It's super easy to use. Just apply it to dry hair in sections, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it. Honestly, I am shocked at how good this turned out. It also comes with a mask, and oh my gosh, it left my hair super soft. I have missed my dark hair so much. Look at how good this turned out. This is great for covering up those gray hairs as well, so you know I had to get one for my mom. Here's the before and here's the after. What do you think?